What's up, everybody? All the girls and boys, pretty women's, and straight mans. So now we're gonna turn down the second beat. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. You know what I'm saying, man? Okay. So this time I won't write some boom 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 boom. So okay. Yeah, turn it down, make it like controllable, sustain. I leave only sustain on this. Okay, and now I need some instrument. Mm. Oh. Mm. If I and I slow like my way, Nakagama Samali. And if I try some else come for me, now I landed on my screen. If I landed on my screen, if I landed on my screen. Okay, this sounds so perfect for me. So now I. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I don't even know right now. Mm-hmm. Turns on the camera. Nah, how it should be like this and a little bit slower, maybe. Yeah, okay, and it's like 15, or how in English, like fifth chord, like what is this, what this is means 15, 30, 40, 15, 16. Yeah, okay, a little bit faster. And now I just want to say one thing. This channel is about cinematic music. So right now we'll lay down some really atmospheric shit. Damn, man. Okay, hold on. Okay. But let me try like this. Hold on. Change it a little bit. And like. Nah. It was cooler. Oh damn! I already know, and then we go. Holy, this is cool. make it on this because it has a sustain. But what is this? Actually, I don't really know. If this is our bass, it's cool. Like this, and then double time. But it's more like a little banjo, bongo. Okay. Oh, you feel it? Yeah. Hey. Oh no, why when you measure? Why? Oh no, why when I come in on it? Okay, it's so cool, man. Stop! I really forget that this is like needs a little double time. There's like 100 BPM, but like a half of it. So, what is this? How it goes? But it's okay. I really like to do it like that. You feel the bounce, man? Oh, velocity. Okay. Goes like this. Always leave some space for the singer, actually, for the rapper, for the artist. Important thing. Very important, man. On a mono when I German on a Zoa, I'm low, no more. I'm loud, no I was on my shit right now. I'm a all way, I'm a digging ball, I'm a chick ball way, I'm a number no, so when I give me no, I'm a number more, like a mall white, and I'm in the mall, give me no white, I'm a no white, I'm a no white, I'm a show my chop, I'm a no white, and I show my, yeah, I'm a cocoa, like a pretty mother ball when I go low, I'm a summer on the bite and a no low, when I give me no all, and I know why, I'm a low life, I'm a soul life, I'm gonna know, whole life, I'm a low life, I'm a summer on the for the low life, for the low life, for the low life, for real, for the low life, for the lo-fi. Okay, I really appreciate for your time and for your patience and for your love and support. Yeah, man, we're gonna do some real big moves. We gonna walk on really big path into our future. Trust in yourself. If you are my friend, then I really trust in you and trust in your friends, trust in your family, because everybody know what is money about. You get some money and you can buy anything you want, but you never buy some real friends and some people who you are calling my dear. Like, damn, your girl, father, mother, sister, brother, son, daughter, and your friends. That's it is, my man. Let's go. Thank everybody, love everybody, and we can see each other real quick in the next video. Let's go, man. Love you.